Oh my God, guys, I think I found what I wanted. I always wanted a manufactured home from the beginning, but they was like, no, it's no value. Do sometimes they let you buy the furniture?
Yes, sometimes we do sell
Do
the furniture.
Okay, nice. This is the kitchen. Oh, I like this. It's nice. Kitchen, dishwasher, and I like the two sinks, deep, electric. They don't have any come with gas, huh?
We can sometimes do a gas range if the park will have a space for gas.
Okay, okay. Nice cabinets. Ooh, look at the pantry. So big. Big pantry. This is the door. The back door. Some nice refrigerator. Cabinets. This is a 3-bedroom.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Lights. And here we have first bathroom. Oh, I love that sink. The mirror. I've noticed too in other houses they had the for the tub, the hole, they had it like that. So is that the new style now?
There are other variations. They have
Okay.
for the tubs and stuff. There's not really a standard anymore.
Okay, I'll see. So, first bedroom. Got lights up there. Closet is big. Big closet. Here's the window. Nice. Okay, second bedroom. It's nice. Lights up there. Ooh, big closet. Yeah, big closet. Big. There's a window. And then they have back stairs. Okay. Ooh, nice size bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Ooh, it's nice. Master bedroom is big. Oh my God. It is big. Closet. Big closet. Wow. Oh, this is a big one. It's big. Then the bathroom. Wow. Bathroom. It's big bathroom. Oh my God, I love the shower. I like that, the toilet to itself. Shower. Nice. Now a window right there. Decoration. Bedroom from the bathroom. Oh no, the washroom, the laundry room. Yeah, this is the laundry room, washer and dryer. Nice. Pretty big. I like the doors.
You have a furnace and hot water, and then you got a little
Closet. Nice. Put your shoes. Oh wow. Oh wow. tree. Oh, and big. Wash and dry it. Like a little bar area, or probably put a clothes, fold the clothes up there. Water heater. Nice. And your clothes on the rack. The door. It's the kitchen. Oh, I love those colors. Nice little party. Bedroom. Nice. Oh, I built in dressing. You know that come with it. Nice. Big closet. Wow, that is room. Silver fan. Look at the bathroom. Oh, wow. Look at the bathroom. Nice bathroom. Here's another sink. Wow, nice. Nice shower. Nice window. Space. Nice. Nice space. Classroom. Oh, look at this. Big window, silver beds, and other bedrooms. It's so pretty. Bathroom. Tub. Nice sink.
Not a lot of times do they have the extra closet. And the bedroom on the left side has the built-in inside of the closet. The one on the right side doesn't.
Okay. Nice closet. And you make this look like a computer. Love this. Nice window. Nice closet. And purple outfits. Cabin space. Shoes and stuff right there. Okay, nice. Oh my God, look at that little porch. I love this one. I love that little porch.